Welcome to Below. Once you've got your account set up and you've logged in, you'll see the home page with all the shortcuts down the bottom. There's a help section, and it just gives you some tips and tricks on how to prepare yourself to go into the low-carb way of life. There's also instruction videos in the help section that will show you how to use all the Below features. There's also a weight tracker. You can set your target weight and you can enter your entries in every time you weigh yourself, and there'll be a little graph created for you to show you how you're doing. In the carb counts, I have tried to put every single ingredient you'll need in the low carb world in here, and at any time more can be added. So if you've got a specific brand or a product you're using, I can add it in at any time. I also wanted to show how the same ingredient can differ between different brands. For example, you can get 2 different almond flours from Aldi. You can get the Oh So Natural Whole Foods brand, which is 16.4 grams per 100, but you can also get their Forester's almond flour, which is only 5.1. So make sure you check your labels. Also, when you're playing with my recipes or the meal planner, if you want to get an exact carb count on something, you can actually customize it totally to whatever ingredients you're using or what you have available.